Now all of that is finished. The camp carries the after quality of completed work. Objects set down with the specific deliberateness of someone who knows they won't need them again until morning. The flat tin of oil resting on its shelf, its lid replaced. The stirring rod hung back on its hook, still slightly warm. The glove is near the fire, not hung, not folded, simply set near the warmth to finish drying. The angle of them, the particular way they've ended up positioned, carries something of the hands that placed them. The journal half open, where the evening's reading stopped. The mug cooling on the corner of the table. A ring of dried tea already forming on the interior surface. Nothing here feels unfinished.